Hi everyone, this is a video response to Dylan014 Abel's Rubik's Cube challenge. I'm supposed to solve it with one hand, can't touch the table or use my other hand, and yeah, I think I've done 3 of these my whole life, so bear with me if I screw it up. Sorry if I do. So I'm just gonna go, no timing, just gonna do it. So here goes everything. Almost dropped it. I wish my hands were bigger, so it would make things a lot easier. Okay, it's done. So thanks to Dylan014 Abel. It was an honor to be challenged. It's my first contest ever, so thanks. See ya.